Hi guys, welcome to Let's Talk with Kim. Today I'm going to be showing you Shuffle by Ellen Wille in the color Sand Multi-Rooted. Hey guys. Okay, this is Shuffle right out of the box. I just clipped her tags, guys, and put her on my head because I was excited because I got new hair. And you guys know how it is when you get new hair. So I wanted to show you guys right with me, and we're going to see it together. But so far, so good. So good because I love Ellen Wille hair. I love how it moves and everything, and it's so soft. And this one has a petite average size cap, which is wonderful because it fits me like a glove. It's perfect because that's my head size. I'm a petite average, and it fits so nicely. I love that. I just want to get in there and play. But let's talk about it first. This color, this Sand Multi-Rooted, this one's a new one for me. The color, and well, both of them new. But this color is described as being the lightest brown with a medium ash blonde blend and a light brown root. Holla! Yes, light brown root. Yes. Yes. It is like my favorite color one of my favorite colors from Ellen Wille is the sandy blonde rooted. And it has a light brown root. This one does too. And it's so pretty. You know, you can be a blonde and look natural. I'm just not a big fan of those dark screaming look at me roots. I don't like that. This one I could live with all day, every day. I'm just saying. It's described as being a shoulder-length style with loose beach waves. Now, I'm not seeing a whole lot of waves in this one. To be honest, I'm not. Oh, look at that, girls. See that flip? Hair flip. Oh, I like that. Ooh. But I'm not seeing a whole lot of, like, waves. I'm really not. I mean, I guess it can be considered wavy. So, but not, you know, I don't see like curls or anything like. But like I said, I just got this one. I can't wait to go get my hands in her and play. But I want to show you guys. So she features a extended lace front, and Ellen Wille has some amazing lace fronts. One of my favorite brands with the lace fronts. Ellen Wille, so pretty. And a left mono part, open wefted on the sides and the back. Let me show you the inside of her cap. Shuffle has a extended lace front. Left mono part, open wefted on the sides, felt bendable ear tabs, open wefted in the back with velcro adjusters. Okay, now let's take a look at her all the way around. Yes. I can't help it every time I see that flip on, do a hair flip, strike a pose. Do it, girls. Let me tell you something. When you get you some new hair, and if it makes you smile, it makes you feel so good inside, and you like what you see when you look in the mirror, and you feel pretty, you feel attractive, or you just like yourself. It's okay. You know what? I'm 51 years old and I put hair on my head, and yeah, I'm going to strike a pose because I feel good. Is that bad? No. And believe me, there's going to be people that say stuff, and this is what you do. I'm just saying, just because haters going to hate. Just shake it off. I'm telling you, and I'm not saying that to be ignorant or whatever, but I know because people have said things to me. I just want you girls, you ladies to know that it's okay to wear a wig. It's okay to feel good when you have that hair on your head. A lot of people get it, a lot of people don't. But when you find that newfound confidence, you don't even care anymore. You just feel nice. So anyways, I got me some hair today that's made me feel nice. And I'm going to go strike a pose. And I will post some pics at the end of this video. And Mama's going to play it. Can't wait to go get my hands in this one. I got this beautiful hair from Nape brand wigs. What a wonderful, wonderful place to buy your hair, girls. It really is. I love Nape brand wigs. I love their customer service. They're amazing company. So anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Sending you all big hugs and kisses. And I'm going to see you soon in the next video.